Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix OBS black screen problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Click on this drop down and select desktop app and select browse. And now you just need to go to local disk C, program files, find OBS Studio, double click on it, bin folder, 64 folder and OBS 64.exe, select it and select add option and then select options and select high performance. If you have integrated graphics Intel HD graphics 500, then you just need to select that in this list. After that select save for save changes and after that just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the OBS studio and select run as administrator and select yes. Now under the source, you just need to select this plus icon and select display capture and select OK. And now capture method, click on this drop down and select this to Windows 10 and display, click on this drop down and select where primary monitor and capture cursor if you want, then check mark it and then click on OK. And now in this red, just need to right click on it and select transform and select fit to screen and it will fit to the screen. Now you just need to select start recording and it will be start record without having any problem. 1 2 3 and I'm gonna stop recording. Now select file and select setting, select output and select recording tab. In this file path the videos will be saved guys. In my case, go to file explorer, go to videos and as you can see here the video has been saved. Right click on the video we recorded and select open with and select VLC media player. And now as you can see we captured the screen without having black screen. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.